Using basically this same triangle, we're going to give lengths to these now. So let's say C is 12. B is going to be 13. A is going to be 5. Okay? If I said, find me the ratio of the sine of A, if I just said that, okay, by definition, sine was opposite over hypotenuse, correct? So if I go here,
5 over 13.
so I'd have a ratio of 5 over 13, which if you used your calculator would be equivalent to what decimal?
0.42.
Sine of A, 0.38.
Okay? What if I wanted to find the tangent of A? We said tangent's definition was equal to,
Opposite over adjacent.
so if I go to tangent of A, opposite is
5.
adjacent,
12.
and if I wanted a decimal equivalent,
42.
if I wanted to find the cosine of B, I'm sorry, can't do B, C. What's the definition of cosine?
Opposite over hypotenuse.
Adjacent over hypotenuse.
So if I'm up here with angle C,
5 over 13.
5 over 13, right?
Yeah.
Make sense?
Yeah.
Which would give you a ratio decimal of
0.38.
0.38. Now for some of you, when we were talking about some of the problems that you had to do on C4L, they said, find the sine of A if the tangent of A was equal to 5 over 12. Or a problem that was similar to that, right? I don't remember. Well, I said draw a triangle, right? So you come down here, you drew a triangle. I don't care what the angle measurement is. I said pick an angle, right? Okay, I'm going to put A there, B here, C here. So I go to this angle A. The definition of tangent is what? So going from here, the opposite side would have had to be 5, wouldn't it? And the adjacent side is 12? Is this making sense? But I wanted to find the sine of A. What's the definition of the sine of A? This is opposite over hypotenuse. So if I'm looking at this angle A, I have the opposite, don't I? Do I have the hypotenuse?
No.
So I need to find it, don't I? So 12 squared is 144 plus 5 squared is 25, which means that's 169, which is square root of that is 13. So can I find the sine of A?
Yes.
The sine of A,
Opposite over hypotenuse.
which now be 5,
Over
13. Okay?
So how did you find 13?
Pythagorean's theorem.
So sine 12, 5 squared plus 12 squared.
5 squared plus 12 squared equaled, in this case, the hypotenuse squared. So 25 plus 144 equals C squared, so 169 equals C squared, 13 was equal to C. Which happens to be the hypotenuse, right?
Okay.
Could I have made a statement here, can I find the cosine of A? Instead of sine of A, could I have found the cosine of A? In this case, it would have been 12 over 13. Okay? We all right with that? Okay, for tomorrow. This isn't as far as I wanted to get, but that's all the farther we're gonna get.